I want to speak English. All right, let's practice. Listen and try to practice. If you want to become a good speaker, first you must become a good listener. Before you can speak, you need to listen. You need to learn how to listen. You need to first focus. Focus is everything. It is important to focus. Focus on listening. Focus on the pronunciation. Focus on the sentence structure. Focus on the meaning. What is this person saying? Try to understand the meaning from the body language, from the action, especially if you are a beginner. A lot of students tell me, I want to speak. Let's practice. We're going to practice 2 topics. Actually, it's just 1 topic, but it's in different tenses or different times, okay? The first one is talk about your favorite food now. Favorite means the best, the one you like the most. The best. The very, 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 very best. The most. So talk about your favorite food now. And the second topic is talk about your favorite food 5 years ago, in the past. So we're going to practice both. Let's go. So let's just say someone asks you, what is your favorite food? How will you respond? My favorite food is salmon with mashed potatoes. That's delicious. I love salmon with mashed potatoes. My favorite food is salmon with mashed potatoes. Maybe you know, maybe you don't know. Salmon is a type of fish. Salmon means fish. There are many types of fish, like tuna or codfish, and salmon is one of them. I like to eat salmon. I like to eat salmon. Salmon is delicious. So if you're talking about now, we use the simple present. So you can see here, I like to eat dash dash. So you say, I like to eat chicken, I like to eat fish, I like whatever you like. Salmon is delicious. Delicious means it's tasty. It's delicious. Mashallah. It's phenomenal. Phenomenal means very, 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 very amazing. I like to eat salmon and fish for lunch. I like to travel. When I visit Berbera, Berbera is a coastal city on the coast in East Africa. When I visit Berbera, I like to eat fresh fish. I don't like to eat onions. I do not like to eat onions. That's a no-no. So since we're talking about the simple present tense, when I visit Berbera, I eat. When I visit means, in case you don't know, I go to, I travel to. Berbera, I eat. When I visit Dubai, I enjoy chicken Alfredo. Chicken Alfredo. Bon appetit. I enjoy means I love very much. When I visit America, I crave pizza. Crave means I'm hungry for. I like to eat. I'm very hungry for that. I crave pizza. All right, now topic number 2. Talk about your favorite food 5 years ago. Okay, so let's talk about it, okay? Let's talk about it. So instead of saying my favorite food is, you say my favorite food was. My favorite food was. That's the past tense. My favorite food was. My favorite food was. My favorite food was. My favorite food was salmon with mashed potatoes 5 years ago. My favorite food was salmon with mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes is just cooked potatoes that are mashed. It's delicious. I liked, you see, we say in the past, I liked. Since we're talking about the past tense now, we say, instead of like, I like, you just add a D. And it's pronounced, I liked. I liked. We don't say I like it, we say I liked. Some people say I liked, but the correct one is I liked. Okay, I liked to eat. That's the past tense. It's very subtle, very small, but you have to listen. I liked to eat salmon with mashed potatoes. When I visited Berbera, which is a city in East Africa, I liked to eat fish. I didn't like to eat onions. And now, since we're talking about the past tense, When I visit, you add an ed to the verb. When I visited. When I visited. Visited. But better, instead of saying eat, you say I ate. I ate. I ate. I ate salmon or fish. When I visited Dubai, I enjoyed chicken Alfredo. When I traveled to America, I craved for pizza. So that's the past tense. I craved for pizza. It was delicious. It was phenomenal. Good job. Now you listen to how to talk about your favorite food. So just keep listening to different English speakers. Every day, try to listen. Make it consistent. Keep it consistent, which means every day you listen again and again and again. And if you need help, you can contact me at Automatic American English College. We have online English classes to help you speak better. You can contact us directly on the number on the screen or on WhatsApp. And we'd love to help you. Peace. Salam alaikum.